Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm EvoVision and today we're going to be taking a look at my Scratch project called Simple Password Lock. So basically this is just a free template on Scratch for anyone to use. So basically when you click the green flag it will ask you to set a strong password, and also it will say Scratch cannot see this. So you type in your password, press enter, or you'll have to wait a few seconds, and then it will ask you what's your password. So if you type it in wrong, it's going to say incorrect password, and then it will ask you to try again. So now if I type it right, it will say welcome and then unlock. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.